Hey, what's up Diecast fans? Joel20 Studios here today, bringing another quick review of these two models I ordered from eBay. First up we have is the Snapple semi-truck. As you can see, it's used. And then next we have is the 1971 Mercury Montego from Johnny Lightning. Really look nice and stylish. Let me go ahead and try and open this up. Get a closer look at it. Alright, so here it is up close. Yeah, the hood opens up. Yeah, overall it's a nice model. So yeah, that'll just do it for these two reviews on these cars. So if you enjoyed, be sure to like as well as comment and subscribe. And until then, I'm Joel20 Studios, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.